Good morning, everyone present at the public hearing of today of the Vetting Commission established under the law number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for the position of judge of the Supreme Court of Justice. My name is Andrei Bivol, the Deputy Chair of the Commission and the Chair of the Panel A, and I declare this session open. This hearing is taking place on the basis of the Law 252 on the external evaluation of judges and prosecutors, and on the basis of the rules of procedure of the Commission as part of the evaluation process. The subject of today's hearing is Madam Elena Grumeza, sitting judge at the North Court of Appeal, used to be called the Belts Court of Appeal. Welcome, Madam Judge Grumeza. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Here with me are the two other members of the panel. To my left, Lovely Perling, international member of the Commission, and to my right, Lilian Enciu, national member of the Commission. This panel is also assisted by members of the Secretariat, and behind you can see representatives of the mass media and of the public. And also we have here a photographer who will be taking pictures in the initial part of the hearing. This hearing is supported by Romanian and English simultaneous interpretation. To allow for an accurate interpretation, please speak clearly and slowly. The hearings are also audio and video recorded. In general, the recordings of the public hearings of the Commission become available on the website of the Commission, www.beckleyamd.eu, within 3 days after the hearing. I will begin with a brief review of the evaluation process of Madam Grumeza. The Commission initiated the evaluation on the 7th of November 2024 by notifying Madam Grumeza via email and by asking her to fill out and send back to the Commission the ethics questionnaire and the declarations provided for in the law number 252. Judge Grumeza has returned the filled out declaration and questionnaire on the 27th of November 2024. On the 13th of December 2025, in line with Article 37, Paragraph 3 of the regulation of the Commission, Madam Grumeza was informed about the fact that her file was randomly distributed to Panel A. The subject was also advised about her right to file a motivated recusal, request for recusal if she believed that necessary. To this day, no such request was made. As part of the ethical and financial integrity evaluation, the subject is also obtaining information from other sources such as the National Integrity Authority, the State Tax Service, the General Inspectorate of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and all open sources. The Commission appreciates the relevance and reliability of the information it collects. From the 6th of March 2025 through the 3rd of April 2025, the Commission has requested Madam Judge Grumeza to provide additional information to clarify certain matters, and that within 2 rounds of questions. The subject has provided answers and documentation by the set deadlines. On the 30th of May 2025, the Commission has notified Judge Grumeza about having finalized her evaluation and not having come across doubts about her compliance with ethical and financial criteria. She was also invited to participate in today's hearing. So on the 30th of May 2025, Judge Grumeza has asked for access to the evaluation materials, and the Secretariat granted her access to the evaluation materials. According to Article 39, Paragraph 3 of the regulation of the Commission, if, based on the collected and reviewed information, the panel has no doubts regarding the subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, it shall send a written notice to the subject and schedule a hearing at least 10 days after the notice, in which the subject will be asked to confirm the accuracy of the information provided. The panel will also announce that in the absence of new information, it shall issue an evaluation report containing the proposal for promotion. Madam Judge Grumeza, do you have any corrections or additions to make regarding the answers you've provided to the Commission's request for information? There's nothing that I would like to add. I agree with what the Commission established, and I confirm the accuracy of the information that I've communicated to the Commission. Nothing else for me to add. Now, your answers to the Commission and the information that you have provided in the ethics questionnaire and the 5-year declaration that you sent on the 17th of February 2025, is that still accurate to this day? Yes, they are accurate to this day. Is there anything you would like to say to the panel, Madam Grumeza, before we finalize this hearing? Yes, and I will be brief. Last night, as I was getting ready for today's hearing, of course, I've wondered, I've asked myself, what would I like to say to the Commission? And certainly in my mind, I had several ideas and subjects I would have liked to address, but given that judges are people who write a lot and speak little, though, especially in public, I will be very brief and I will say just that this was our fate to be witnesses and participants in reforms that our country is going through on its way to become a stronger and more prosperous country. The vetting is certainly not an easy endeavor. It's not something that you just go through easily. Yet, I would like to say that, well, given that it is complex by its nature, I would like to thank the Commission for the enormous amount of work it invested into checking all of the materials provided by every candidate, by every subject. I would like to express my gratitude to my family, to my relatives who were there for me, to my friends who supported me. And I would like to say that I am full of hope that our country, a very small one, beautiful country, will become a country that is safe and prosperous, a thriving one, with our support, by all of us joining our efforts toward that goal. I wish you to be in good health, to have luck, to be courageous, and all the best in the future. Thank you. We are now at the end of today's hearing. We would like to thank the evaluation subject for the answers to the questions, for the comments provided. The panel shall pass an evaluation report establishing whether the subject meets the ethical and financial integrity criteria on the basis of Law 252, and the panel will do its best to finalize the evaluation report and announce its conclusions there as soon as possible. In general, we are striving to do this within a month after the public hearing of the subject.